Hi, Steve Clifford from Sheehy Toyota of Stafford, Virginia, Fredericksburg, Virginia, and Laurel, Maryland. Visit us at sheehy.com. Okay, I'm going to get into something wild here. So, a lot of customers lately have been complaining that they can't figure out how to get their multimedia screen to go dim when it gets dark. So it gets dark and the screen stays bright. They've gone into all the settings they can. Well, this is weird because this is not a new feature. Toyota has had this now for years, but apparently nobody noticed. Anyway, even some of my salesmen were stumped on this one. So let me show you this. So this is the screen at full brightness. And if you cover up the light sensor, that's the light sensor up there, it stays bright. Well, if you turn the headlights on, and the headlights are on right now, it stays bright. Turn off the headlights, it stays bright. You wouldn't want that shining in your face at night. Well, let me show you this. Over here on your dash, you have this little dial thingy, and this little dial changes the intensity of the lights on your dash. It actually does not change the intensity of your audio system. That has its own setting. You go into that for but anyway, that's not what you need. But this little thing, there's a little detent, and if you click it all the way up to its fullest bright position, then it will never go into the night mode. If you go one click back on this little button here, and again, I'm just going to dial it just one click, it's still at full intensity. You still have full intensity on that, but now watch what happens at night when you turn your lights on. Oh, we just went dark. You see that? Day mode, turn the headlights on, night mode. Take that away, and now it's daytime again, and it goes back to that. Daytime, nighttime, and again, you just go one click back on that little wheel there, and that'll fix it for you. Weird solution, but an easy one. That's the kind of tips and tricks I like to provide here, so subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more of them. Thanks for watching.